Scentsy Air offers many ways to fill your life with fragrance, whether you're at home or on the go. These fan diffusers pair with Scentsy pods to deliver versatile, no-spill fragrance. Let's break down the options. The Scentsy Air Quad is designed to scent rooms as large as 1,000 square feet, using up to 4 Scentsy pods. The Scentsy Air can be used on any flat surface. Choose from multiple designs to match your aesthetic. The Scentsy Air Mini plugs into any wall outlet, and its durable shell is perfect for high traffic areas. The Scentsy Air Mini Plus also doubles as a nightlight. The Scentsy Air Go and Air Go Plus are sturdy and travel-friendly. The Scentsy Air Go takes 2 AA batteries, and the Scentsy Air Go Plus is rechargeable. The Scentsy Air Solo is our most compact option. Use it at your desk, in your car, or anywhere there's a USB port. The Scentsy Air Purifier uses a HEPA H13 filter to capture airborne particles like dust, pollen, and mold, while simultaneously filling your room with beautiful fragrance. Want to learn more? Reach out to your Scentsy consultant or visit Scentsy.com.